We all have heard this famous quote from Henry Ford, which goes something like, whether you think you can do a task or whether you think you can't do the same task, both ways you are right. I would like to take one example from each situation. Once during a class, I asked my students to do one task. I told them that I'm going to give them one question and they have to write as many answers as possible for that single question. And the question was, even though I am a fresher, why would any company pay me 50,000 rupees salary? That's right, 50,000 rupees salary for a fresher. I told them to start writing. After a few minutes, one of the boys said, "Sir, your question is wrong. No company will pay 50,000 rupees salary to a fresher. Your question is absolutely wrong." I thought for some time and then I realized that's right. My question is wrong. My question is wrong for that student. For him, my question is wrong. Just because he was not able to think and come out with some creative answers, that student raised his hands and said, "Sir, you are wrong. Your question is wrong." And the mind shuts down. When you say something negative or when you say no to something, your mind says, "Well, okay, why should I work?" This is one case. I would like to, what do you think? Do you think my question was wrong? Let me give you my example. When these kind of situations come, I never ask a question unless and until I have tried it myself and I have got the results. I'll give you my example. This is the year when I decided to start my own small entrepreneurial coaching business. I was new to coaching business. I didn't know whether I'll get clients or not. So what I did, I applied this same technique. I wrote down one question. Why would entrepreneurs give me X amount of money to coach them? That is, the coaching will be once a week for 90 days. Why will any entrepreneur give me that money? And after writing that question, I started answering those questions. I wrote about 87 answers for that single question. The answers were one sentence, two sentence answers. 87 answers I wrote. And out of that 87, I picked up the 10 best answers. And then I went into the market and based on that 10 answers, I pitched to my clients. And I'm happy to say that I got the results. I got positive results. I got the amount that I had thought about. Nobody asked me, where is your office? Where do you stay? Why should I trust you? Nobody asked me that. They gave me the money, full money in advance, even before the coaching had started. So for me, this question was absolutely right. And for that student, after many years, when I asked this question, for that student, this question was wrong. So it's not about the question, it's about what you think about that question, what attitude you have towards that question. So, both ways, for him it was wrong, for me it was right. So, if you want anything in life, you need to create a question and write down these answers and then go behind it. If you don't go behind it, you will never get it.